So I've been in Montana for 85 days for work, and I haven't been able to play Counter-Strike. In this time, I've learned how to solve standard 3x3 Rubik's Cubes, and also 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So today we're going to see how long it takes me to solve all three of them, back to back. They're all scrambled already. It's probably going to take me a good 10 minutes if I had to guess. I started the stopwatch. We'll start with this one. It's one down. It took so long, dude. I feel like I was doing that forever. I don't know if I should talk while doing this. Would that be okay to talk? I'd probably distract myself if I'm being honest with you. I can tell a story. So while we were in Montana, me, my friend, and my coworkers, my friend and I went to Yellowstone the first week we were here, all the way back in June. And while we were at Yellowstone, we were there literally all day. Place is absolutely humongous. While we were at Yellowstone, we seen a bunch of animals, a bunch of bison, wolves, stuff like that. But when we were leaving, we were all the way up in the mountains, and we ended up seeing a small brown bear, which was very cool. And I say this thing was small, this thing would absolutely murder me. I actually have a video of it. I'll put it in the video at the end if anybody cares, or if anybody's even watching this. This video probably won't get too many views. He was so much smoother than the original one. Sounds pretty crazy. I'll show you some okay. I found something visually too. The lowest number just absolutely horrendous. You watch any CD tuber on the internet, they've done 10 times over this. Crazy to know how else we can memorize these things. Or like you guys to do with that would be intensive. Only method that would be method. Which is probably the slowest method for sure. It's number two. Now time for the 2x2. This thing I struggle with sometimes. It's on there. Wrong. Put up. That's unfortunate. Being covered. Just sure things. It's still confusing. They're writing again. Oh, wrong. There you go. Is that right? There's one there. Jeez, man. How did I do that? There's the third one. Took me 9 minutes. Wow, I guessed it took me 9 minutes exactly. I guessed that it would take 10. Yeah, there's three cubes done in 9 minutes. It's about 3 minutes a pop. That's not too bad. Mind you, it took me 4 days to learn how to solve one of these. And yeah, it took me 4 days, and I watched the same YouTube video, probably 10 minutes or so. It was a video by J Perm. I watched the same 10-minute video an unbelievable amount of times. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to see how fast I could solve all three, and I figured I'd make a video out of it because I'm so fucking bored after work every day. So, yeah, there it is. And then there's the video of the bear right there.
No way. How you doing, buddy?
The video of that bear is not very great. It doesn't really show the size of it too well either. But that thing would definitely ruin a lot of people's days for sure. But Counter-Strike videos will be back soon.